Welcome to excelmacroclasses.com. In this video we will see how to list out all the files name and folders detail into Excel. So I have this folder with me. So my first requirement is I want to list out all these names into Excel with file size and date modified as well. So let's go and check. Okay, click on this EMC, click on user form, macro number 115, get list file list from single folder. Okay, so here I have what was my folder name. This was my folder name. Copy, click and paste, click OK. Okay, done. Let's check if there is a file. Okay, now I have all the file name available with me with file path. Okay, now next is we need to capture 116. It will give all the file name within the folder. So if I put this location, it will go inside this folder also, and it will go inside this folder as well. So let's check if this is working. 116 all in one, yes. Click OK, close. So the file here we have, so it is capturing all the files including subfolders also. So let's check, like in data I have consolidation, and under consolidation I have folder 1. So if I have all the files from folder 1, let's check consolidation. This is folder 1 2 3 4 is captured. So if you notice here we have folder 1 file available. So now it is capturing all the files and folder also. This path size is for folder and this path size is for file. Now let's go and run macro number 117. 117 will give you just folder information. It will not give you any file detail. So let's go and click. Right now I'm using 117. In that case it will give me information of only these 4 folders. Okay, it will not go and drill down inside the folder. Close. So here you can see we have only 4 folders information. Okay, now let's go and try the last one is 118. This should give me only folder detail, but it includes inside folder also. If there is no folder, it will not give information from there. But in this case I have consolidation, and under this I have 4 folders, so it should give me all folders information. So main location is this one, and click on this. Done. Okay, so here I have backup, I have data, inside data I have consolidation, and under consolidation I have these 4 folders. It is also giving me last modified date. If you have any queries, anything, you can contact me, you can put your comments. If you find this video useful, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.